from deep in the hostile wilderness. Walt Disney Pictures presents an incredible motion picture adventure. Benji the Hunted. Lost and alone, a courageous dog must fight for survival. And for the lives of 4 cougar cubs. It's a story of courage and heroism, of heart-pounding suspense, and heart-warming tenderness. Now, Walt Disney Pictures invites you to share the excitement, the triumph, and the pure fun as Benji, the canine superstar, leaps into action. There's no better time than now to experience the unbelievable magic of Walt Disney Pictures' all-new adventure epic, Benji the Hunted. Coming this summer to theaters everywhere.
Hey, look!
The motion picture event of the year.
What is it? Why, it's a girl.
The 50th anniversary of Walt Disney's timeless classic, Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. Come celebrate with the fairest of them all, the merriest of them all, and the scariest of them all. It's the golden anniversary of Snow White, Sleepy, Doc, Bashful, Happy, Grumpy, Dopey, and Sneezy.
We gotta save her!
Whether it's your first time or your 50th, now is the time to experience the magic of the most beloved animated motion picture of all time.
A true story.
A love story.
Where we will live happily ever after.
Walt Disney's classic, Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. Opening July 17th in 42 countries worldwide.
Now, Walt Disney's timeless classic is coming home.
This is the happiest day of my life.
Everyone remembers Sleeping Beauty, a motion picture event that's been released to theaters only 4 times. It's an unforgettable tale of magic and majesty, of secrecy and sorcery, of 3 fairy godmothers and 1 soggy prince, and that most sinister evildoer.
Maleficent.
Before the sun sets on her 16th birthday, she shall prick her finger on the spindle of a spinning wheel and die.
She can undo this fearful curse.
There must be some way.
Enjoy the romance, the adventure, the sparkle, all now available on video cassette for the first time ever.
When will I see you again?
She's in love.
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
I just love happy endings.
Walt Disney's most enchanting love story, Sleeping Beauty, on video cassette.